Happy New Year's! It's New Year's Day. This is Beef here. This is doing a little narrating. Going fishing. It's beautiful out there. There's lots of bridges. Yep, went downtown. Saw the rods all gone, guys. There's nobody there. All the Scientology people. I locked them up again. You'd figure by now they would have learned. Every year the Beef locks them up. Get out. We won't lock you up if you're not here. It's a little echoey down here. Feel like I'm in the Baltimore tunnel, not the Boston one, because I'm feeling pretty safe right now. It's nothing. There's lots of boat races going on. It's New Year's. All these people. It's not a lot of people, because I'm sure they all have hangovers right now. They gotta start drinking though. It's afternoon drinking time to cure the hangover. Yep, a couple shots skis to get you going. What are you thinking, Dad?
Yeah.
It's a good idea. There it is, guys. My new plane. Guys, my dad took me over to Hulk Hogan's house, and across the street there he said he bought me a house. Hey, look, no fucking house there. $1.3 million he paid. Dad, there's no house there. It's just dirt. What the heck's wrong with you? So I went to Walmart and got a tent, so we're all set, and a porta potty's coming in about an hour. They're gonna be pissed. Alright guys, I gotta go see my New Year's Day bitches.